Leyseele Health Technology Assessment, HTA, is a process used in a growing number of countries to decide what drugs and treatments should be available to patients. The product is an assessment of clinical efficacy and cost-effectiveness and can include a number of factors such as patient safety, efficacy, safety and efficacy of the product, and the quality and safety of its products. The scope and method of the HTA can be adapted to the political needs of a particular health system. The most common evaluation method for the evaluation of new medical devices and medicines is the Health Technology Assessment, Health Technology Assessment. Leyseele This type of HTA, which is based on a systematic and methodological approach to assessing the impact of health technologies and explicitly incorporates the patient aspect, is called a full HTA. The Office of Technology Assessment, OTA, is the Office of Health Technology Assessment of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HHS. 3 was founded in 1972 and includes programs focused specifically on health care. The purpose of the HTA is to provide policymakers with evidence-informed decisions, for developing policy recommendations for new medical devices and medicines for use in the health system. For example, many health technology experts, such as Dr. David Siegel, professor of medicine at Harvard Medical School, work primarily in an advisory capacity with the National Academy of Sciences Health Technologies Assessment Program, HTAP. Simply put, such complex assessments are intended to define the value that a new intervention will add to the healthcare system, what is called a Health Technology Assessment, HTA. The assessment part of the HTA includes a comprehensive analysis of the clinical outcomes and economic costs associated with the technology. Leyseele The results considered in Table 1 can be distinguished between different types of economic assessments. One is associated with lower costs, the other with higher costs, and there are different economic assessments for each of these categories. In order to determine the cost consequences of the technology in question, such as health consequences, all 4 studies look at the costs associated with the issue of health technology. This allows to assess the impact of technologies on the results of healthcare, the providers of healthcare services and their patients. The cost-effectiveness analysis assesses the value of new health technology compared to other existing health technologies. The analysis of the budgetary impact, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive cost analysis, which evaluates the costs of introducing a health technology, taking into account the population that would receive it.